In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple resistance test. First thing you're going to want to do is take your multimeter and turn it to the ohm position. It could be any kind of multimeter. This is a Fluke 88. I really recommend a Fluke 87 meter. This 88 works perfectly. I think I've had it since birth. What you want to do is take your meter leads together just to check the resistance of the meter leads themselves and connect them together. The resistance value of these two meter leads is 0.4 ohms. That's not bad considering I have a 7.5 amp fuse in line. That way it blows my 7.5 cheap fuse instead of the expensive 10 amp inside my meter. When somebody tells you that they want you to check the resistance value of a circuit, what they're talking about is checking the resistance value from end to end. So if somebody said check your resistance in your data link connector to your engine control module, all they're wanting you to do is take one lead and hook it up to one side of the wire and another lead and hook it up to the other side of the wire and check your resistance value. The resistance in this is 0.3 ohms. That's good resistance since that's pretty much what the resistance was with just the meter leads themselves. I have another wire here that I've wired a resistor in. It's to demonstrate if your wire had corrosion or if the wire was bad or was grounded to another wire or shorted to another wire. And we're going to connect the meter leads. And this wire right here has 11.74 k ohms of resistance. That's enough to make your lights dim. In some cases, if it's a communication wire, this will drop the communication out the car and not allow it to crank. You want to look for good resistance. Good resistance is, like I said, is 0.4 k or 4 ohms of resistance. That's good resistance. It's pretty much anything less than 1 ohm of resistance is good resistance. So again, if we're checking this wire, this is a good wire. You'll see it has 0.3 ohms of resistance, and that's a good wire. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If it was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching the video.